Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials, your API key, token expiry, and the API Turtle CLI version. Once done, install or update API Turtle to v2, one or later so you have patched endpoints. Then authenticate immediately with API Turtle login key or KEY. This caches credentials and reveals rate limit headers. Do this now because an unauthenticated call will fail silently. Also check system clock and network DNS. Small mismatches cause token validation errors and wasted retries. You now construct the fix request. Create a minimal JSON payload with ID, diff, and retry flags, then send post/fix. Make sure to inspect status codes. 200 means accepted, 409 indicates conflict needing a merge, and 429 forces exponential backoff. Once sent, validate the returned patch hash against your local diff to confirm integrity. If you need deeper insight, enable verbose logging and stream logs to a file so you can replay the exact request/response sequence. You finish by confirming the change. Call get/status to compare server hash to your expected hash, and then mark the task complete. If you encounter a 409 conflict, fetch the latest resource, perform a three-way merge, and resend with the updated diff. This avoids overriding concurrent edits. For persistent 5xx errors, capture the request ID, headers, and full payload so you can escalate. As a quick tip, retry with jitter and exponential backoff, rather than tight loops to reduce error amplification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.